Yes, one teacher can make a difference, especially if that teacher is your teacher or your child's teacher. One teacher can make a difference if that teacher is Ashlee Kemper. She has already been Student of the Year, Student Teacher of the Year at U of L, and the Hilliard Lions Teacher of the Year. And today, we bring the Golden Apple. Thank you so much for all that you do for public education in our community. I want you to know that this Golden Apple reflects the faces of all of the students that you have mentored and taught over the years. Congratulations, you are an ExCEl Award winner.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you. We have a saying in my room: you do good, yeah! With that being said, I also teach my students about what to do when they stumble or hit that bump in the road. I often tell them just because teaching is my calling doesn't mean it's always been easy to do. It hasn't always come natural. I've had to put in a lot of hours of practice. It has always been my goal to prepare my students for what is beyond third grade. That is why I have concentrated on teaching my students how to persevere, how to accept feedback, how to code switch when necessary, and how their college experience is just around the corner. I love being my students' teacher, their motivator, and their #1 fan.